In this video, we are going to do a review about the Krisp noise cancellation. I personally use it, and it is one of the best noise cancellation software out there in the market right now. So as you guys can see that it brings up with a lot of like options. So as I'm just going to show you guys that I have already downloaded it. So it can transcribe your recording, it can record your audio, and then uh, it can real-time noise cancel it. As you guys can see that right now my noise cancellation is turned off, but as you guys can see that if I click on the noise cancellation button, now my mic has been noise cancelled, but there is no background noise in my background, so there might be no difference in the audio. There might be a slight difference, but there won't be a big difference. But if you use it in a noisy background area, the difference will be huge. And I practically use it and it works perfectly fine. You can record the screen with the pro version of this Krisp. So I personally use it and it works very good. And how you guys can get it, there are plenty of like pricing and plans. I guess there are two of them that you guys can get. One is free, and then there is a pro version, which you guys can get unlimited transcription, unlimited AI noise cancellation, unlimited meetings, history, unlimited audio recordings, unlimited screen recordings, unlimited audio video file transcription, unlimited AI summaries and action items. Storage would be 3 GB. Pro plan exclusive multilingual transcription support, video record with bot, user management and billing, centralized user management and centralized billing. There are a bunch of other uh, extra features that comes with the business plan, which costs you around $15 per month. If you go for the yearly basis, and if you go for the monthly basis, it will cost you like $30 a month, and for the pro version, it will cost you like $16 a month. So this is how it goes, and I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel. Take care. Bye bye.